Hello and welcome, and welcome to Cooking with Ashley. Now, on the first day, we're going to make some homemade bread. Now, in order to make your own homemade bread, you're going to have to need these ingredients: flour, oil, which is in a jug, dried yeast, salt, sugar, dried skimmed milk. I don't know how to put this in it. And most importantly, to be able to do or make your own bread, you're going to have your own bread maker. Let's get baking. First, take out your thingamajig. Get your oil and pour it so it's just covering the base. Just make sure it's all just covering the bottom. Next, pour in 1 pound of flour. Now for 1.5 tablespoons of salt. Now get 3 tablespoons of dried skim milk. You get 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now you get 280 mils of warmed water, which you can just boil up with a kettle. Into there. And now you get your mixture here. And now you just pour it in as you do. It all goes in like. And now you put 1.5 teaspoons of yeast. Now you put your mixture in there. Make sure it's fully secure. Then shut the lid. And now all we've got to do is just press start. And now we've got to wait for 3 hours. Right, it's been 3 hours. Let's go check on the bread. Woo! Look at that. Now, you're going to have to, since it's going to be a bit hot. Now this bit can be a bit hot, so I advise getting some mittens. Look at the little cherries. Just shake it out. Anyway, and there is our homemade bread. And now for the ultimate test. Look at that. Right, I think let's try that. That's some good homemade bread. You can find all the recipes I've done on the website down below. There'll be a new tutorial out next week. Thank you for watching and please subscribe, rate and comment.
Approve!